What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Making It Keto. And today we're going to be making Cinnabon Pancakes. Man, these things going to be good. Let's get into it. All ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Okay, for starters, get yourself a large bowl. Go ahead and add in your eggs, your oil. Next, you can go ahead and add in your milk. Give it a little stir. Get everything well mixed. Then go ahead and add in a little bit of vanilla. This will boost that flavor. Give it a little stir again. Alright, that'll be all for the wet ingredients. Let's start getting into the dry ingredients. Go ahead and add your almond flour. I'm going to use a low carb sweetener. I use allulose. You guys can use whatever you like, whatever you tune to. Go ahead and add in your baking soda, your salt. Once you add all those in, go ahead and start stirring it and get it all well combined. Let's get this batter together. Yeah, so go ahead and mix it up like so. This batter is a little on the thick side, guys. You can add almond milk to lighten it up a little. Just be careful. You don't want to make it too thin. You won't get that bread consistency like a normal pancake. So just be careful with that. Okay, let's get these cakes cooking. Go ahead and add you some grease to your pan. I use avocado oil. You can use whichever oil you like. Get your 1/4 measuring cup. You can go ahead and individually cook them using that measurement size. I normally get about around 3-ish, 4-ish pancakes. Alright, once you got that all set, just wait for that side to cook. I normally wait until it starts bubbling around the edges to give them a flip. You want to flip them too early, they'll break apart on you. So just wait until it gets a little bubbly on the edges. And then you can go ahead and flip it, cook it on the other side. It shouldn't take long. Normally about 3-4 minutes tops for the whole thing. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and finish cooking up the rest of my batter. So we can go ahead and get into the fun part. That middle, that cinnamon, that Cinnabon thing. Alright, those are the pancakes. Let's move over to the fun part now. Alright, to make that cinnamon bun flavor, we're going to be using Swerve Brown and some butter. Get out a medium-sized bowl, put your 2 tablespoons of butter, soften. Then you want to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of that brown Swerve. I'm telling you guys, this is going to hit it off. This is going to give it that cinnamon Cinnabon middle that you used to when you eating that Cinnabon biscuit, man. I'm telling you. Go ahead and throw in maybe a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, depending on how you like it. And go ahead and mix that up, man. Look at that. Don't that look good? Man, come on, man. This is gonna be good. Alright, next up is the icing. Cinnabon ain't nothing without the icing, man. So to a medium bowl, go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, which is like 4 ounces. Maybe a tablespoon of sweetener. I use allulose. Then go ahead and throw in a little bit of vanilla extract. Mix it up well until you get that icing consistency. Look at that. And make sure you taste it, guys. Make sure it's sweet until your liking. You can always add more allulose if you want. Man, come on. Look at that. Alright, next. Let's start putting these things together. We're going to do it IHOP style. We're going to, in between every layer, we're going to go ahead and put in the cinnamon middle. Just like a cinnamon roll, a Cinnabon cinnamon roll. Guys, I'm telling you, these things taste exactly like Cinnabon. You're gonna enjoy this. I'm telling you, you're gonna like it. So, like I'm doing here, just go ahead and put some in between each layer, like so, and be generous. These are low carb ingredients. Depending on how you respond to sugar alcohols, it don't really bother me at all, but just keep that in mind while you're doing it. Look at that. All right, last step. You're hitting it home, baby. Let's go ahead and crown this king. Let's go ahead and get that cream cheese filling. Look at this. By the way, guys, when you're making your cream cheese, make sure everything's room temperature. That helps this part a lot. Spreading it over the top. If everything's room temperature, it's easier to spread. But look at this, man. Come on. And there it is, guys. Keto Cinnabon Pancakes. That's how we doing it. We making keto easy by making everything keto. Let's go, baby. Thanks for watching.